Max Money Tribe, Max Money family, what's going on? It's your boy Alvin. And if you like short squeeze plays, you're in the right spot, man. If you work a 9 to 5, a swing shift, all that stuff, man. If you're working 5 days a week, I can relate doing overtime. We're here to break out of that cycle of life, right? That is not living. So this is the channel for you. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Crush the thumbs up, people. We are on our way to 500 tribe members, and then we're going for 1,000. I appreciate every freaking single one of you. So let's get into it. Right now, I am up, as you see, on the month. But let's check out the daily. I'm up $140 today, 5%. After hours, I'm still booming. I made a play at the last minute, so I want to talk about it. LiDAR had just dipped off on earnings or right before earnings reported, and I managed to snag up 100 shares for $550. I mean, $5.50, and it doesn't even show that on the chart. So I'm in great position with that. I'm up basically 3.5% from just buying a dip and just either swinging that or holding on to those shares, guys. Progenity pulled back. You know, we've been riding Progenity for a while. So Progenity, I want to talk about this one. This is the one. This is the stock that I do like for a longer run up. It had a lot of strength at $3, $3.11. It's holding there. So I averaged down. I had 100 shares last night or this morning's video. Now I have 250 shares. I'm looking to swing these up, guys. This will have its day. It's a great short squeeze play. Now, I do want to show you that I have the SPY call I bought at the last minute. And I have the BBIG, 100 call options, people. That's 100 call options. That's not 100 shares. That's 100 call options. So BBIG is taking off. So I'm going to start right there. VINCO Ventures, people. This is the way. VINCO Ventures has officially, to me, I'm not your financial advisor, has hit a reversal. It has bottomed out twice here. It's pulling up really, really strong after hours. As you see, it's showing a lot of strength. And I'm telling you, those calls are going to be printing. This thing can fly up to $5. In the short term, I had a price of about $5 on this. So if we zoom out for the week, I'm talking highs up here, right about here, of $4.99. That's where the next big resistance would be at about $5. This can easily blow by that, man. VINCO Ventures is working on a lot of stuff. So as you see, I have a $2,000 value of 100 contracts. They don't expire until November 19th. That's amazing. November 19th. Now, again, when it comes to options, let me get into it real quick. Sorry. I want to show you these options because BBIG is running off. Still time to get in these. I have an average of $17 and about $17.5 on these options. Average cost right there. I'm looking at delta and theta. If you're new, I'm just looking at delta and theta. Really good theta or delta, 0.3484 over here. You see low theta, that zero in front makes it amazing. Low theta, which is your time decay. Delta is pretty much how much is going to move up for every dollar. So if this were to jump up $1, each one of these call options would go up about $34. So it wouldn't be $20 no more. It'd be $54, just about $54 each. So that's not too hard to imagine, right? So $100, it jumps up $1, right? So sell them for $34 each. So you go up about $1,400 in value. That's how I pretty much play those. I could be wrong on some of it, but you're also looking at volume, 4,800. When I was in these, there was about 80 of us this morning. Open interest is about 20,000. That's how many of these have exchanged hands, have got bought up. So that is huge. I'm telling you guys. So as you see, LiDAR is pulling up, Progenity's pulling up. Great plays. AMC, the apes. I know y'all here. Let me know down in the comments, guys. If you have your own price targets, let us know in these plays. With BBIG, VINCO Ventures, there's a price target out there of $40 on that. Let me know if you'll hit that. AMC, we know this can go to the moon, but in the short term, $40 right here at this range. If they can break 40, between 40 and 45 is back in play. So the apes ain't going nowhere. The volume's slightly lower, but I want this to test that 52-week high so bad. That would send this thing into FOMO. It would send this thing into a frenzy. It would burn so many hedge fund shorts on this, man. It's just ridiculous, man. AMC needs to get up there. They're manipulating so many shares. Even with BBIG, they were manipulating them all day. It was playing around at that 450 range, man. I hope it blows the top off tomorrow and just shoots up to 5. That'd be amazing. So with that said, AMC is looking good. We talked about DBGI. Again, I'm just putting it out there, guys. Digital Brands Group. Look at this. Super strong on the weekly, up 16%. On the month, up 48%. It's at $4.19. Just this morning when we talked about it, it was sitting pretty right here at 388, showing a lot of strength. This is tied to Amazon. Don't forget that. It's tied to Amazon. It's a clothing company tied with ties to Amazon. Real quick, as we're just going over some of these plays, Wish, I liked its momentum today, 37 cents. It shot up early in the morning. We zoom out for the week. It had this big spike from 5 all the way up to basically $6, and now it's settling in the middle, consolidating right back on course. So that is looking good, as you see it here. Now this had a volume of 88 million today, but the average volume is 30 million. That's what we like to see in these short squeeze plays. Where that volume is, that's where the money will go. So keep your eye on that. Another one, AQST, baby. Let's talk about it again. I'm loving AQST the more it sits here. As you see, bigger bands. I had said it here. I said it kept going into these waves, up and down. Check it out. It was about 3 videos ago. I put you guys onto this. Big bands. It's consolidating more and more wild up and down on the week. So you go up from $6.20 all the way down to about $5.90, up to about $6.35, where we end up. Right back around $6. Okay, so here we go again. Up 636. And today's low, let's just go to the low, is 613. So it seems like it'll jump up there and the low will be about 10 cents higher than it was the previous day. So higher lows, AQST can go crazy. They have a December 23rd date, folks. Keep that in mind. That's plenty of time to get in. Do not be fooled and let anybody tell you otherwise. If you're looking to take profit or make money, you can make that money by getting into AQST. It has a huge short interest on it. It will eventually get up there, guys. It keeps blowing these tops off, getting higher and higher. You just look at it. 3 months, 59%. Past month, 58%. It's crazy, baby. It's crazy. So it's making its way back up here. It wants to fight and to get up there. So AQST is an amazing play to get in long term. You can hold it. You can forget it. You can swing trade it. It's up to you. Don't let nobody tell you how to trade, right? So with that said, I like the SPY to go higher tomorrow. It pulled back. It breathed for about 2 days. As you see it here, now it's starting to push sideways. As far as reading the charts go, that's where I made my entry in that one call that expires tomorrow. I just wanted to see what it moves, take a little chance at that, read the charts. Hopefully they don't bring out no FUD, anything like that, but you know how they work, man. So check it out. If you got into Rivian Automotive, shout out to you because that's really taken off. The EV sector is hot. But guys, on this channel, I appreciate every single one of you for smashing the subscribe button, crushing the thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the morning, folks. Keep eating off the market, make money, man. Let me know which play we need to add to the short squeeze list. Somebody said SEAAH, I believe, today. And that's taking off. And we got a lot more bangers that's going off, man. Let me know in the comments. I'm looking to get rid of some of these and add about 2 or 3 more. So if you got some bangers, let me know, folks. I appreciate every single one of you. I'll see you in the morning. Max Money Tribe.